Picks or fingernails? What to use and which works better for us? Let's see. Let's start with picks. With picks you have more attack on the guitar. You will sound louder and more sharp. If you're soloing or strumming, no matter what, you will sound like very loud. And with your fingers you will be losing a little bit of the attack on the guitar. But the good thing, you will be able of playing multiple strings at once. You will be able of doing such things as the best fingernail length is when you look at your palm and you see a couple of millimeters of the fingernails popping up. I don't know if the camera can take that. So that length worked the best for me because of my job as an engineer and a gardener. So tell me in the comment section, are you a student or do you have a job, and is it challenging for you to have long fingernails? Because I've heard a lot of comments about that. That's all about picks and fingernails. It totally depends on your style of playing, but we're going to practice both fairly and equally so you will be able to develop your own style of picking and experiment with both, practice both, and see what works the best for you.